Hello friends, welcome to my channel. There is a cultural walk art show in Ravindra Bharati, Hyderabad on 3rd November from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. This is an eminent artist Sri Devi Garu from Hyderabad and she is also taking part in this competition. Please come and encourage all the artists who are participating in this show on 3rd November this year, and there will be an art exhibition of cultural art, sarees and dhoti kurta on 4th and 5th. So please come and visit Ravindra Bharati on these days. This is another very good professional artist from Hyderabad. Her name is Sheetal. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on art techniques, tutorials. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.